Feeling sluggish in the mornings? Transform your daily routine with these 5 morning crystal rituals that not only give you a boost of energy, but also help to elevate your mood and your focus. This way, every morning can be a fresh start. My name is Aaron. I'm a certified life coach, and I specialize in metaphysical techniques like crystal work, guided meditation, yoga nidra, and even self-care practices to help you on your personal development and self-growth journey. Number 1 is very easy, and it's probably one that you have already thought of, or maybe that you already do. If you've thought of it but you haven't actually engaged in this practice, I would highly suggest meditating with a crystal meditation. Meditating with a crystal is very, very easy. This is a malachite palm stone. It's a good size, nice and chunky. I would suggest having a palm stone about this size, or a crystal that will easily fit in your hands, and you're simply going to hold it in a comfortable position while you're meditating. Mindfulness meditation itself is a wonderful practice to develop your focus and to decrease stress. One of the main 3 components for meditative equipoise is relaxation. That means relaxing your physical body, relaxing your mental body, relaxing your emotional body. This activates the parasympathetic nervous system, allowing you to rest and be in a state of relaxation to counterbalance all of the low-level stress that you experience throughout the day from duties and responsibilities and work and running errands and even doing your personal development work. The type of meditation that I would highly advise you give a go for this morning meditation practice is going to be mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a great practice to start the day, and combining it with your crystal is going to allow you to tap in and integrate the work that you are doing with your crystal and bring it into your meditation practice. If you're practicing this every day, it's also going to give you consistent and continued exposure to the energy of your crystal. And by consistently engaging in the mindfulness meditation practice using your crystal, you're gonna get those benefits of both. But remember, you're not going to get those benefits if you aren't consistent in your practices. If you've never engaged in mindfulness meditation before and you want to give this practice a go ahead and check out my mindfulness of breathing using the Theravada technique. It's a great technique, great for beginners and seasoned meditation practitioners, easily accessible, and it's very calming and soothing. The next activity is going to be a crystal shower. Most people take a shower in the morning to cleanse themselves, to wake themselves up, and to boost their energy. So why not have a crystal in your shower that is water safe? So no crystals that end in "ite." I would recommend a quartz variety. They tend to be safer with water. Placing crystals around your home and in your environment is a wonderful practice similar to feng shui, where the placement and orientation of items in the home influence the energy of the home. Number 3 is going to be crystal affirmations. This one is very easy and accessible as well. If you're someone who perhaps has a certain affirmation that you are working with, maybe you are working on a goal like improving your level of physical fitness and your energy, and you have made a list of positive affirmations that you are going to say to yourself each and every morning in order to refresh your memory about your goal, to really put yourself in that mental and emotional place, and to serve as a direction for your focus, your energy, your actions. It would be great to use a crystal. This is my golden healer. When you wake up in the morning and you have come to that place where perhaps you are going to do your affirmations, maybe you're looking yourself in the mirror, maybe you are at your altar, maybe you're just in your living room or in your bedroom, you can simply hold your crystal. I like to hold mine to my chest if I'm doing something like this, and really focus on the energy and the physical sensation of appreciation and thanks and gratitude. I try to really put this at the heart center, hold the crystal to it, and then I will go ahead and speak my affirmations. This is also going to work really well if you have programmed your crystal. If you are interested in learning how to program your crystal to your desires, your goals, your intentions, go ahead and grab my free crystal programming guide. I'm going to include the link to that in the description box below. It is a full guide that presents to you a framework that you can fill in with different activities, and there are suggested activities for each section that fit your belief system, your life, and your lifestyle in order to help you harmonize the energy of a crystal, any crystal that you want, with your personal goals, your intentions, your desires. It also has some journaling activities and additional resources. So go ahead and make sure that you grab that from the link in the description. The fourth activity that you can do are going to be crystal sun salutations. Sun salutations are a great practice that come from the yogic tradition, the asana practice, or the physical body type of yoga. It helps to increase the heart rate, to increase blood flow, to wake yourself up, to get yourself prepared for the day before you, both physically, mentally, and emotionally. An easy thing that you can do is use a crystal as what's called the dristi, or the focus point. You can put the crystal at the top of your yoga mat. Maybe you even hang the crystal from a ledge or put it someplace where you will be able to focus on it while you're doing different poses and holding yourself in different positions. The energy of the crystal could be harmonized with your goals and your intentions that you are focused on. And then when you come to your morning sun salutation practice, this is giving you a physical way of tapping into that energy, tapping into reminding yourself to focus on your goals and your intentions and your actions that you're going to be engaging in throughout the day that are going to drive your energy and help you achieve your goals. I know you're getting your learning on, but I want to quickly draw your attention to the crystal jewelry that I'm wearing. Typically, I wear something different in each video. This is a labradorite. And here I have some Elite Noble Shungite with pyrite, as well as a Herkimer diamond necklace. You can find handmade crystal jewelry and crystal rolled incense, along with small batch handmade Florida waters in the HIYERAlignment.com Metaphysical shop. Your support means a lot, and it helps me to continue making self-care and personal development tutorials and resources just like this one. Check out the link to my shop in the description box below. And now let me continue giving you the tips, tools, and techniques that you can use in order to create a positive transformation in your life. And the last thing that you can do in the morning to kind of get yourself going that also involves crystals is going to be the crystal appreciation technique. I have other videos on appreciation and gratitude journaling, and I have lots of different tools that talk to you about the importance of expressing gratitude and thanks and how it can shift your focus, it can influence your energy, it can help drive your goals and your actions and your behaviors. Appreciation and gratitude are often used in law of attraction and manifestation as well. For the crystal appreciation technique, I really like to use a crystal necklace. This is a blue tiger's eye. I like to use a necklace because for the appreciation crystal technique, you're going to be carrying your crystal with you in the world throughout the day. So in the morning, you're going to come to the place where you have decided to hold your crystal. You're going to pick it up. Once again, generate that feeling of gratitude, thanks, and appreciation at the heart center. Hold the crystal to it. And I first like to start out by saying thank you about 20 times, allowing images and thoughts and memories that invoke the sensation of gratitude and appreciation to roll through my mind. So just doing that very quickly to get tapped in and tuned into that energy. After you do that, you are going to set the intention to find as many moments and experiences to be appreciative or grateful for throughout your day. By setting and aiming for this intention, I promise your life, your perspective on the world, yourself, and others will make a dramatic change. You'll find that within a week of you doing this activity, you're going to constantly be on the look for good experiences. You're going to start expecting good things. You're going to be talking about the good things, big and small, that are going on in your life, and this is going to inspire you to look for even more good things to be appreciative and grateful for. If you find that you are in a negative, nasty mood, that you have been very pessimistic, that maybe you're down and you just don't feel your greatest right now, this activity is one that you can do in the morning in order to change all of that around very quickly. Throughout the day, if you're wearing a piece of crystal jewelry like a necklace, someone may comment on your necklace. You may accidentally touch it or bump it. All of these are wonderful moments of synchronicity to remind you of the intention that you set at the beginning of the day, and to maybe even stop in that moment and be mindful. What's going on? Who are you talking to? What type of emotional state are you in? What type of actions or reactions are you currently engaging in? Can you find something in this moment right now to be appreciative or grateful for? At the end of the day, you're going to come back home. You will come to the space or the place that you have decided to store your appreciation crystal. You'll take it off or take it off of your person and do the same thing. Repeat thank you to yourself about 20 times, reaching for that feeling, that physical sensation of gratitude and appreciation, of thanks within the body. And then think about the best moment that happened to you today. Think about that moment, get back in that feeling, and then go ahead and put your crystal back in place. All of these morning activities will help you get your day going. They hit different areas: physical, mental, emotional. I would suggest, if you are interested in crystals, incorporating these activities into your morning routine. Don't forget, you have that free crystal programming guide. It has that framework in there for you, suggested activities. It's going to show you exactly how to take your crystal and harmonize it with the energy of your desires, your goals, your intentions. I will include that link and some other resources for you in the description box below. If you have enjoyed this content, go ahead and give this video a like. It's a free way to show YouTube that you like this, that you learned a lot. And if you're interested in learning more about metaphysics, personal development, guided meditation, journaling, all types of things in this area of self-care and self-growth, go ahead and give me a follow. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. And in the meantime, in between time, here are 2 more tutorials that YouTube thinks that you would enjoy.